Hello everyone, this is Amber Sargent and this is my virtual library that I want to share with everyone. So here we have my contemporary realistic fiction books. Then we have fantasy, historical fiction, informational, diverse populations, poetry, science fiction, and traditional literature and folk tales. So to be honest, I loved creating this virtual library. I actually had never really heard of one, so I thought it was going to be a really complicated process, but it was fairly simple, and I feel like it's a great tool to have to use in my future classrooms with my students and even their parents, so that we're all able to stay on the same page. They can check out different books that they might have never heard of. And I just feel like it's a way to integrate, the positive ideas of reading and getting them excited to read. My favorite books that I chose were Julian is a Mermaid. This one was my favorite because it promotes identity, creativity, self-awareness, and open-mindedness. My second favorite was Frindle, and I like this one because it teaches children how language works and how it's developed. And because I want to teach younger students, I feel like this is an effective tool to use because they're just learning how to read. So they're understanding different words, why they sound the way that they sound, how to pronounce them, and all of the above. So I think that this book would be a great tool to use when it comes to teaching that. Did I dislike any of these books? I really didn't. I didn't have any ones that I didn't love, actually. I think there's always a beautiful message in children's books. I feel like there's always a way you can integrate them into different lessons and activities while it's still being effective in some kind of way. So honestly, all the books that I chose would be books that I would use in my future classroom setting, which is why I chose the books that I chose. I try to take these projects seriously and, so I can have different ideas and tools to use when I'm teaching. So I absolutely love all of these books. I feel like they've all had a positive message in some shape or way or form. So yes, I'm actually proud of my virtual library. I plan to continue to expand it and to add more to it to make it exciting for other children that are involved in my life as well. So yes, here's my project. Thanks for listening. Bye.